Audio direct presentation. Now it doesn't look as though much is going on here, but what we've done is completely transformed this gorgeous Toyota Fortuner. So of course, we'll start off by showing you just how quick this screen is. Okay, as soon as I press the button, instantly on. This thing is lightning quick. Okay, couple of things. Firstly, you can see how smooth and how responsive the screen is. Okay, radio, everything's obviously still off on the steering controls, so you can see how quick that is. Of course, we don't want to infringe any copyright, so we will keep the volume on low. Music, that will bring up so many options. Honestly, we do not have time to do a full presentation on the screen, which is a shame, but the customer's waiting, and that's of course always more important. Console, instant fuel history, all this data comes up, by the way. Update, clear. It's a brand new installation, so maybe no data is being recorded as well. You can also connect TPMS on this thing as well. It's ridiculous. Video, so we don't have any USBs, but there's something preloaded in there as well. You can take a look. We can go full screen as well. You can see the clarity of this thing. I mean, this is a demonstration for, I think, the Sony Acros screen. You can see how to, honestly, it's amazing. PIP picture as well, so you can move that around, double tap, that'll bring it straight back up as well. Bluetooth, of course, self-explanatory, and what you can see here is car data coming through as well. There's your revs, and of course when we drive off, you've got the actual speedo on there as well. Phone link to connect your phone, again self-explanatory. Explorer, of course you can go online, Google, Chrome. Really, it's crazy when you sign into like Google Maps, for example. All your data will come through. So for example, if you were running out and about and you were checking, for a particular place, and you started your Google Maps on your phone, when you jump into the car, you're connected through tethering, it will actually be there on your navigation as well. DVR, you can connect up to this as well to record onto the hard drive. Full set, I mean, you've got Google Maps, I got navigation, Play Store, so you can of course download YouTube, so on, so forth, WhatsApp, whatever. It's that fully loaded. The maps on this thing are just absolutely gorgeous. You've got the cidgIC software. This is the latest 2019 mapping, and I mean, you can see the clarity of this thing. It's incredible. It really is. I was blown away by this car, by this software as well. Obviously, it's evening time here now, so not the best pictures, but again, just beautiful. And the AC control, it's so bizarre that you've gone from like buttons. This pops up. You can increase the fan speed, lower it, of course, temperature as well. Honestly, the new owner's going to be just so chuffed. I just can't wait to see this place. And of course, stick the car in reverse, instantly you get the reverse camera coming up with, of course, all the steering guidelines as well. Awesome